In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily upload a spotlight on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Snapchat app. Then we need to tap right here at that play button, and it will show us Snapchat Spotlights feed. In order to upload our own snap, we just need to tap right here at that button. And then I'm gonna choose whether I would like to upload a video from my camera roll or memories, or I can create new one. I'm gonna tap at create, and then I just need to record a short video of myself. Keep in mind that video must be at least 5 seconds long. And once it is done, we can record another video here first. And then if we hit add preview, we'll be able to add there some text, some stickers, any music, all this stuff. And once we are ready to upload that spotlight to Snapchat, we can just hit add send to, and then just tap right here at send. It says uploading here, so the spotlight is being uploaded, and after that it will be shared on my Snapchat profile. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.